Greetings, Brenda Kasuva here, and this is quickly going to walk you through on installing the Zoom app on your Android device. As you can see, I have a couple of folders on my screen. I'm going to go to the Play Store. Yes, I have a lot. So I'm looking for this icon here on my left. Play Store, just search for Zoom. This is also very similar on your Apple device. Go to the Apple Store and search for Zoom. Cloud Meetings, it's installing on my end. When it's done, then I will have the icon on my main screen or the second screen. And then we'll quickly review how I'm going to put it in a folder so that I always have access to it. So it's still installing. And when it's done, I will find it on the home screen. Okay, so there it's done. The app is here. I don't want it there. So on my Android, I'm holding on to it and I want it in this folder. Oops. Sorry, let's try this again. So I want it in that folder. Oh, come on. Okay, there you go. So now I have these folders. At this time, I'm using Microsoft Teams, GoToMeeting, and Zoom. So when I'm ready to attend a meeting, I'll just click on the app Zoom, join a meeting, and follow the instruction.